Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to start investing with Acorns. Acorn is a smart wallet and micro investing app designed to make investing easy for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or just want to grow your spare change into real money, Acorn Box automatically help you invest, track and grow your money all from your phone. No complicated trading, no upfront investment, just simple automatic investment. So first you need to download and sign up to your accounts if you already do not have. So you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And after that you can open to your Acorns box over here and you need to select to this top ACN over here, and this is all the transaction history. You can either send or receive. You can tap on each wise, and once your wallet is funded you can tap on the send or the receive. Enter amount you want to put in. You can start with as little as a few dollars. Acorn Box also has an auto invest feature which invests money for you automatically on a schedule, perfect for building your portfolio without thinking about it. And after investing you can see your portfolio grow in real time. The app shows your earning, growth and investment breakdown, and you can choose to withdraw or reinvest your money anytime. And that is it. With Acorn Box you can start investing smartly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.